Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the modded Highrise app that gives you unlimited gold directly on your phone. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Inside Highrise the process is super simple. All you need to do is enter the amount of gold you want. You can type in any amount of gold, turn the feature on, and then hold the Next button. Once you do that, the gold is instantly sent to your account. After it finishes, open your Highrise account and you'll see the exact amount of gold you entered added right away. It's extremely easy and I haven't had any issues with it at all. To get Highrise just go to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained exactly where to download it and how to install it safely. So head to the pinned comment, follow the steps, and if this method works for you, make sure to leave a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!